Hi, I'm Ian from Haste Kitchen and today I'm with Well Duty Free. I'm going to show you how to make a really tasty tequila sour. We're using the Patron Silver Tequila and I'm going to mix it up with loads of lemons and limes. So we're going to grab our mixer, I'm going to add plenty of ice to this. I'm going to use plenty of ice in here because I want to really break down that egg white. Now I'm going to add 50 ml of the Patron Silver Tequila straight into your mixer. So for a sour, we've got to add a decent element of citrus to this. So we're going to use 3 limes and 2 lemons. You're going to roll that backwards and forwards, releasing all those juices. You get about next to 30% juice out of a lime just from rolling it. You're going to add the juice of 2 lemons. Now to counteract some of that sourness, I'm going to use a little bit of sweetness. So I've got some sugarcane syrup. I'm going to add about 25 ml. Now to make this a truly classic tequila sour, we need to add 1 egg white. Now putting a slight twist on this, I'm going to add a minty element. So you're going to add 1 sprig of mint directly in with the mix. On with the lid and give it that good shake. On with our strainer and pour that straight into your glass. Got some lime peel and just shredded that round to make a little swirl. And there we go, that is my Patron Silver Tequila Sour.